Hi and welcome to installing the Topstrap.
This is how we do it.
A question that we sometimes receive by mail or by phone is, what is this? This is the Topstrap. The Topstrap is to be installed on the mask. I will show you how, and I will explain to you why. The masks come in one size, both for adults and for kids. Now, kids, of course, have a smaller head. And to make sure that the mask is also usable for children, we install a top strap. You can see here on the side of the mask there are two openings. These openings are specially designed for the top strap. So what you want to do is unpack the top strap, open up the Velcro, and then insert it in the slots. One on this side, and then pull it through. The other one on the other side, pull it through, and then close them on the top side of the mask. This way, when a kid or a young person or somebody with a small head puts the mask on, it will sit on top of the head. The back strap goes in the back, of course, and that way we will prevent the mask from sliding down their face like this. Also advise your players always to close the chin strap. That way they will be reminded if they want to remove the mask on the field that it is impossible and it's also dangerous. This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.